Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. Yes, I'm in a better mood today because now this beef, I know it looks funny, this is actually beef. It was in the freezer. This is a lot of beef. This can also be cut down into quarters if need be. But that's not what I'm doing today. So I'm going to take some crushed tomatoes, some instant rice, some onions, and other lovely herbs and spices. And I found this Taco Bell fire sauce. So this is going to come together. Now right here I put some garlic and onion in with just a pat of butter. You don't need a whole lot because remember you're working with beef. So my knees feel better today. Of course the right one's a little achy, whatever, that's what's to be expected. Now my left knee today, a lot better. Thank you, Dr. Soloway. Anyway, it makes it so today I'm able to use my legs better. Let's put it that way. He's a blessing. So in a minute, I'm kind of debating. Do I want to use the crushed tomatoes or do I want to use the fresh tomatoes? I love fresh tomatoes. And save the crushed tomatoes for, you know what, I think I'll use these today and I'll use the real, not real, they're all real. I'll use the fresh ones tomorrow for my son's birthday dinner. So anyway, for that, it will be a nice trip to the IGA market where you can actually get better prices than Acme. I will bust on Acme for that. Anyway, yeah, let this sweat a bit. Then we'll add the beef, let that cook down, and then we'll add the tomatoes and the rice and other seasonings. So Rob called and I told him what we're having. So we're actually going to make this into taco salad, even though it's going to have rice. And also I might change up the tomatoes now to the diced tomatoes with the green chili. We love those. So, ooh, I have chili beans in the pantry. Yum, yes. Okay. Now you know the extra. Then that'll be enough in the pot for, like, you can actually eat it for breakfast. Do some steamed egg and lay that over it. That would be wonderful. Now you all know that I love to budget. So these cans were $1 each. And what's it doing? It's making a meal. So when you're on that budget and you might have a Dollar General, make sure that you check out that aisle. Now they did raise the prices on the canned mushroom. They're like $2 something. They're a little ass can. I was like, nah, I can do without that. Anyway, so $1 each. Sometimes you'll find things for $1.25 at the Dollar General. So Clover Valley is the brand. So now I've got the chili bean and 1 can of diced tomato and with green chilies in there. Now we're doing the next one. And I think I'll go ahead and grab that other taco seasoning. So this is the Taco Bell mild taco seasoning mix. I'm going to put that in the pot real quick. That right now, the color did change. Now remember, I am putting rice in this. We do have cheese. So rice is next. Something strange. So I was wondering why the box itself didn't have one of those little like tear open sections, because it's in this. So, okay. And now that that rice is in there, just put the lid back on. Let this cook and we'll be back to dish this up. This is just an easy 1-pot meal. So I forgot today's Thursday. Rob takes his daughter over to her boyfriend's house on certain days and she decided she wanted to go today after school. So I have this turned down. You could tell when the guys cook. I gotta clean the stove up in between. But when I'm cooking, when you have time in between, you have time to clean. So when they get back, this will be fully cooked and it'll be yum yum time. Okay, so the fellas are back. That looks so good. I can't wait to put that together. That's the next step. Okay, so this is the lettuce that I'm using. I can eat this one. Iceberg lettuce, not so much. And I love the vibrant color on this. This is great. This is great. And I do keep the spatula covered every once in a while. You know, farms around the area. So give me a moment to figure this out with handling this. Now I have something coming from the TikTok shop that I need. So it'll really help when I'm filming better than all my other stuff. Like, oh my God, you just put that on that lettuce. Taco salad, right? Put your taco fixin' or burrito fixins on there. Oh, this stuff smells great. You're not going to need way too much, but you know, just enough on there. So there's that. Then I'm going to put, now I turned the heat off already. I did wipe that down. I just have to wipe it down again. Anyway, then a little handful of the taco Doritos. I have it upside down on purpose because you have more flavor on the bottom. Then I will add the cheese on top. So anyway, to finish this video, take a bite. So far, like, oh yeah, that's good. Look, you can have tasty things on a budget, as I always say. You can always make it taste really good. Make your food fun. Make your food colorful. It's more pleasing to the eye, which then will make it more pleasing to eat. So what do you guys think?
It's good.
Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Make yourself a budget-friendly meal that's healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, remember, tortilla chips are corn, so it's a vegetable. Bye.